Hi everyone! In this video we will solve a quadratic equation by factoring. Solve m squared minus 17m equals negative 60. The first thing we want to do is employ the zero product property, and because this equals negative 60, that doesn't work. So we need to add 60 to both sides so that it will equal 0. So we end up with m squared minus 17m plus 60 equals 0. Now we can look for the zero product property. This is in the form of a equals 1. So to factor this, we take our c and find all the factors of 60. Finding the factors, we have 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, 6 and 10, 7, 8, and 9 don't go in, and then we get to 10, so we'll start working down the other side, which means we have found all the factors of 60. Now we need to find factors that will give us negative 17. Since our sign says positive at the end, this means that our factors will have the same sign. And this negative at the beginning says that the same sign will be negative for both of them. So we'll fill in all of our negatives from our factors and find a pair of these that will give us negative 17. In this case, negative 5 and negative 12 will make negative 17, so we can replace this as m squared minus 5m minus 12m, and plus 60 because we didn't change anything, equals 0. Now we'll factor by grouping, the first two and the second two. The greatest common factor of the first two is m, so we have m minus 5, and the greatest common factor between the second two is minus 12, so we have m minus 5 equals 0. Now we have our two large terms here and here with a common factor, which is a binomial, with both of those. So we'll factor out the m minus 5, and we're left with m minus 12 equals 0. Now we can employ the zero product property by setting each of these factors equal to 0. And then solving for those, we will add 12 to both sides on this one, add 5 to both sides on this one, and we end up with, running out of room, we'll come over here, negative 5 plus 5 cancels, so we have m equals positive 5, and negative 12 plus 12 cancels, so we have m equals positive 12. So our two answers are m equals 5 and m equals 12. These are the two numbers that will make this quadratic equation equal 0, and we're all done.